Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. So as always, let's jump right into it. So today's video is about a really cool Thinkscript tool that hopefully you guys will like. I call it the market profile tick chart. And essentially it gives you a market profile for whatever time frame on the right hand chart, but you're able to use this on like a really low time frame. So right here I have a 1 day 1 minute time frame, right? So I could see here's my point of control, right? The most volume from here, from the high to the low of this 1 day. My point of control value area high and low were 70% of all the volume trades. So if I'm a day trader, I would maybe look for, if we were reversing, maybe I'd look for a potential short up near this value area high, which is also this double top, right? All this congestion, so maybe a nice confluence level. Now if I want to go to maybe a 2 day 1 minute chart, it now shows me for the last 2 days, right? So all here and up here, well, I know there's value area high here, the point of control. Again, if we start to rally, maybe it slows down here, comes all the way up. We're starting to fill out the volume profile from all of this over here. It's also kind of the scene of the crime where we really start to fall from this breakdown level here. Multiple lows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fail. Let's look at a couple other stocks, AAPL, right? Look at Apple. If we start to rally, maybe look for maybe taking off a trade if you were long, looking for the point of control. Up here, maybe you want to look at a 5 day 5 minute chart. Here we go, right? Point of controls right here. Oh, also coincides exactly with a little swing high, right? So if I was long, maybe I'd say, hey, let me get long and let me start to take profits here. Or if we get up here, maybe let me start to short the market. Multiple different ways to trade this. If you want 15 minute, 20 day, it'll show you volume profile. If we start to fall, right, we could see this 338 level over here, okay, which is kind of the breakout level from here, okay, from this little low, high pullback, and then we broke out. Well, maybe if we come all the way back down here, that might be a good support level, or something like the value, or I'm sorry, the value area low up here, not down here. So different multiple ways. It works great with stocks. If you're looking at something like AMZ, Amazon, right? Look at this. Potential downtrend. Maybe grab a Fibonacci extension tool, high to low, right? Just all of this price action. And look at this. Right between the 1618, the 200, it's a low volume node. Also matches up with the low from this gap, okay? Point of controls here, which is kind of right here. So again, multiple things. When you start to use these all in confluence with each other, you see a lot of levels really lining up everywhere. It can become a very powerful tool for day trading. So what I'll do is I will leave a link down below in the description of this chart with the market or the market profile tick chart on the right hand side, and hopefully you guys will find this very useful in your own day trading. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.